Those are difficult films in general to get made.
I fell in love with film.
That's the way I was known for many years.
We do not have the romantic music, the melodic music that is necessary to create a beautiful musical. Good foundation is important in everything, and ballet gives a dancer that very, very important foundation.
So you didn't care for it much, huh?
The girl's fantastic, beautiful, but I can't dance with her.
So it was very easy for me to go to dance the different kind of dancing, yes.
This girl, Gerard, it's not just her dancing. On top of everything, she's too tall for me. This girl is a giantess.
Tony, she's not too tall for you. I know this girl.
Every dancer is very different. And Gene Kelly was very different than Fred Astaire. But they were both really geniuses in their own way. So the big difference between the two is that Gene Kelly was very interested in the camera technique and arranging the shots, and he was interested in the whole. And Fred Astaire was very interested in his numbers and what we would be doing together, but he was more of a performer. Gene loved to work behind the camera as well as in front of the camera. That was the one big difference between them.
You are an American?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me, in America, are you one of the oppressors or one of the oppressed?
One of the oppressors, definitely.
I think that's one reason that musicals became so very popular, because there was a very strict censorship. And perhaps the censors were a little less strict with the dancing, and I think that was one big attraction for musicals. Musicals are not the same because they don't have the facility, they don't have the technique to make them. You don't have Cole Porter, you don't have Rodgers and Hammerstein, all the wonderful songwriters that today the music is not romantic music.